Okay, this is the laptop. So to change the screen, you need this tool, screwdriver kit. So let's start. So we close the clamshell, turn it over, and remove the battery to the side. Turn it back over. Of course, before removing the battery, you turn the computer off and then take it out, the battery. So after taking it out, you press the power button for 10 seconds to get rid of the residual electricity. So after counting to 10, you release it, and you're good to go. So this model I found very easy to change it. So first you need to remove the front, as they say, front bezel off, this whole plastic line. So if your screen is cracked, you don't really worry about damaging the screen. You can use the screwdriver with the flat one. So like this. So just make sure that you don't damage the plastic. So we pry it open. To shorten this video, I already did mine. So you slowly and gently remove the front bezel. So let me move it up a little bit to show you. You gently pry it open, and once it is out, so you move it a little bit forward, bend this screen and wiggle it, and this will come off. So you really need to be gentle because it's a fragile plastic, and you don't want to break it, of course. So we take it to the side. After removal of the front bezel, it will look like this, and there are 4 screws, as you can see. First one is here, 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 and here. Again, screws have been removed. One was here, 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 and here. So what we do is, now this is easily comes off, so you don't have to be gentle with this, as it's a broken screen. I mean, you can be gentle. So it comes down. So you pry it once the screen is down. So you pry it open this, if you want, with a pen knife. So I opened it already. So once you peel it, you will see this metal bar. So you hold the metal bar and move it backwards, and it comes off. So for time being, you put this and remove the old screen. So this is a new screen that I got from laptopscreen.com. I will post the link on the description of this video. So as you can see, it was a plastic cover, screen protector. It comes within a nice package. So I gently put it this way, that where this actually faces the screen compartment. So I peel this out. Again, hold the metal bar and move it closer. So I have a screen protector, so I don't have to worry about scratching the screen. So once you have it, so with the metal you just push it in. So once it connected, so it went in. That's as clear as it gets. So you close it and make sure this thing stays with its own glue. Once you plug in the cable, you lift it carefully, and first you put this side under, and then you try to squeeze in the second side. That's it. Just make sure that you need to get this behind. So you don't want to damage this. Take your time, careful. I succeeded to putting back in the new screen. So you just need to wiggle this aluminum bars a bit left and right to gently place it back in, and try to take a picture of this cable, how it was hooked up before, so you don't forget. And now we need to screw these bolts here to 4 places that I showed earlier in the video. So in order not to lose them, you want to keep these screws on a paper towel. So once I put it back in, we'll carry on. I took the plastic out before putting the front bezel in, and so everything is ready, screws are in. So I'll put the laptop so I could bend it, and put the front bezel in, and push the legs so they click, and I start fixing them from the top, so in case the feet didn't fit properly, you have a chance to do it. And once you do it, it will come right to its place. You check the base to see they're okay. Inspect, and you close the clamshell to place the so we could place the battery. So I usually do it this way. It goes right in. I have a charge in it, and it should work now. Yeah, we have a Dell logo. Crystal clear picture. I'm happy with the result. And thanks for watching, and sorry it's my first video. And I'll see you guys soon.